Halloween is approaching. You carve your pumpkins, but wait! Don't throw away those seeds. Pumpkin seeds are nutritional powerhouses hidden inside those festive gourds. They offer a satisfying crunch and a nutty flavor. Get ready to unlock the potential of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to keep you feeling full and satisfied, aiding in weight management. Pumpkin seeds also contain a unique combination of vitamins and minerals that can boost your health in remarkable ways. One standout nutrient in pumpkin seeds is magnesium, crucial for over 300 bodily functions. It helps with muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Many people are deficient in magnesium, so adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can help bridge that gap. Another essential mineral found abundantly in pumpkin seeds is zinc, vital for a robust immune system. Zinc helps our bodies fight off infections and heal wounds faster. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. These powerful compounds protect our cells against damage from harmful free radicals. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds help neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. From snacks to soups, pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile. The simplest way is to eat them roasted as a delicious and crunchy snack. Toss them with olive oil and your favorite seasonings, then roast until golden brown. Beyond snacking, pumpkin seeds can elevate your culinary creations. Sprinkle them over salads for extra crunch and nutrition. Add them to your trail mix for a boost of energy and healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds can also be ground into a flour to use in baking, adding a nutty flavor and moist texture. You can even make your own pumpkin seed butter by blending roasted pumpkin seeds until smooth and creamy. As the weather cools down, a warm and comforting bowl of soup can be incredibly satisfying. This pumpkin soup recipe not only highlights the delicious flavor of pumpkin, but also incorporates the nutritional powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves, garlic minced, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, ½ teaspoon ground nutmeg, ¼ teaspoon ground cinnamon, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 15-ounce can pumpkin puree, ½ cup roasted and salted pumpkin seeds. Using an immersion blender or working in batches in a regular blender, puree the soup until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. To serve, ladle the soup into bowls and top with the roasted pumpkin seeds. For extra richness, add a dollop of coconut cream or a swirl of olive oil. This soup is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. From boosting your magnesium intake to adding a satisfying crunch to your meals, pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse waiting to be explored. So next time you carve your Halloween pumpkin, remember to save those seeds. Roast them up for a healthy snack, sprinkle them on salads, or incorporate them into your favorite recipes. Embrace the power of the pumpkin seed and experience the numerous health benefits this humble seed has to offer.